Hello, it's Angelo Pucci, and we are excited to bring you our newest listing of 4724 Carpenter Court in Claremont. This multi-generational home is absolutely spectacular. 8 bedrooms, 7 washrooms, over 10,000 square feet of luxury living space with a beautiful Oasis backyard. But to tell us more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim, are you ready?
I am.
Let's take it away.
A magnificent custom-built estate home backing onto the Oak Ridges Moraine in the North Pickering community of Claremont. Welcome to 4724 Carpenter Court. At just under an acre in size and enjoying a premium court location, this property is fully manicured, extensively landscaped with stone front and back, and includes a massive saltwater pond pool. While the home offers a unique interior design ideal for multi-generational extended families or for home-based businesses. Beyond the marble-tiled foyer is a dramatically designed bungalow showcasing stunning mahogany wood flooring, 6-inch baseboards, high ceilings, as well as unparalleled entertaining and personal spaces. Especially in the family room, where a 14-foot vaulted ceiling and decor pillars enhance the grandeur of this open-concept space that showcases a gas fireplace with hand-carved travertine mantle. Drop-down flooring differentiates the family room from the surrounding spaces, and throughout this home, most of the windows have transoms to capture as much natural light as possible, with custom window treatments finishing the rooms with classic, stylish elegance. A superb workspace, the kitchen showcases custom cabinetry with molded uppers, a breakfast peninsula with a double sink, as well as a vegetable sink in the center island, both with touchless Moen faucets, granite countertops and backsplashes, and built-in KitchenAid appliances including a 6-burner gas range, a wall oven and a wall convection microwave, as well as a dishwasher and a fridge with cabinet front facades. There is also a water filtration system as well as a double-door pantry in the main hallway, while above the island and peninsula are suspended ceilings with accent pot lighting. The earth-toned tile floor of the kitchen flows through to a breakfast area with a 14-foot vaulted ceiling, matching Tiffany chandeliers and wall sconces, as well as a walkout to the backyard Oasis. Featuring a multi-tiered deck, a huge interlocking patio area, an armor stone fire pit, and a ravine walking trail, this Oasis is complete with a massive and fully fenced Muskoka-like 30 by 60 foot saltwater pond pool with a waterfall, 2 jets, 2 water spouts, exterior pot lighting, as well as armor stones and a wraparound cedar deck with metal railing for seating. The pool also has beach sand under its liner and a gradual slope to an 8-foot depth, with an oversized pool filter for crystal clear water at all times. The area is fully wired with outdoor speakers, and there is also a custom cabana with full-sized fridge and farm-style doors on the side to accommodate seasonal equipment. Wood and beveled glass French doors open into an exquisite formal dining room with a vaulted ceiling and a custom crystal and wrought iron chandelier with matching wall sconces, while a columned wall pass-through from the foyer adds to the open feel of this entertaining space. The luxuriously sized master bedroom has the warming touch of a corner gas fireplace, a vaulted ceiling with Tiffany fan, a bay window as well as views of the front and side yard greenery, as well as separate his and her walk-in closets. Completing this personal retreat is a beautifully appointed ensuite washroom showcasing elegantly tiled finishes, toilet and bidet, a relaxing tub with jets, a separate shower area, and 2 custom vanities with granite counters, one with a built-in makeup vanity. Immediately off the entrance foyer is the main staircase to the lower level. This massive and fully finished family and entertaining space showcases ceiling heights between 8 and 10 feet, a family room warmed by a fireplace with a custom mantle and surrounded with a stone accent wall, cozy broadloom in almost every room and pot lighting throughout, a walkout to the backyard patio area, multiple storage areas, and a wine cellar with custom glass door and wood shelving. While the north wing features a huge bedroom, a 4-piece washroom, as well as a yoga and meditation spa room with a rough-in pour sauna. With the amazing amount of space available, this level additionally features a conversation area, a stone wet bar with accent lighting, seating for 8, a microwave and a wine fridge, wood cabinets and a TV, a huge open concept recreation and games area, a bonus room that is ideal as a home gym, as well as a second bedroom. Most of the pot lighting throughout the home is LED energy efficient, and other fine features include wall art niches, as well as custom stained glass inserts over the entrances to the dining room, the kitchen, the master bedroom, and the laundry room. This home also has 2 furnaces and 2 air conditioning systems, a central vacuum system, full ADT security system, and an intercom system capable of playing music throughout the home. In addition, there is driveway parking for up to 11 vehicles and an outlet for electric or diesel vehicle plug-in, as well as a triple-car garage with tandem bay, full heavy load hoist, and direct access into the home and to the side yard. From the recreation area is the secondary staircase to the main level's south wing. This section of the home features a linen closet and the 3rd and 4th household bedrooms, both which have large double closets and share access to a 4-piece Jack and Jill washroom with space-saving pocket door entries. A wonderful utility space, the laundry room has a front-load washer and a gas dryer, closet and cabinetry storage, as well as access to the triple-car garage. The second bedroom, which is well suited as a guest suite, features a double closet, a crystal chandelier, and its own ensuite washroom. And completing this section of the main household is a powder room with a granite-topped vanity. Off this side hallway, and locked for security and privacy, is an interior entryway into an attached studio residence. An open-concept ballroom-style room with 2 walls of oversized windows, and which can easily accommodate 100 or more people for entertaining. This incredible living space showcases pot and track lighting, all on individual circuits with multiple switches to control usage, an electric crystal fireplace with stacked stone facade, a double-door exterior entrance from the side of the home, a recently updated kitchen with stone counters and backsplashes, a stainless steel sink and appliances, as well as beautiful modern cabinetry, a powder room, and a garden door entry onto its own private balcony overlooking the backyard. Across from the studio entrance is the staircase to a finished loft over the garage. The loft features two distinct sections. The first featuring a second master bedroom with a double-door entry and mahogany wood flooring, a carpeted secondary room suitable as a smaller bedroom or an oversized walk-in closet and dressing area, as well as a 4-piece washroom. The second loft space is the gateway for indoor family fun. Also finished with mahogany wood flooring, this family entertainment room has an 11-foot ceiling, as well as a theater lobby with ticket booth, concession stand, wine fridge, mini bar fridge, and manual vending machine. The adjacent carpeted theater room is soundproofed with 2 feet of insulation and includes a fixed projection screen with HD projector, 2-tiered seating with 9 reclining leather seats, and a movie memorabilia cabinet with LED lighting.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As you see, it's a beautiful home, beautiful Oasis backyard. Would love to show it to you. Give us a call, 416-627-4610. Thank you.
Just minutes to the heart of Claremont for everyday shopping essentials, and with access to highways 401 and the 407 just short drives away via Brock Road, 4724 Carpenter Court offers a privileged and private lifestyle, all within a charming small town setting.